Live from Arkansas's breaking news leader, Fox 16 News at 9 starts now.
The flu has taken a toll on the natural state this winter, and as of tonight, it now includes a child. Good evening, I'm Kevin Kelly.
I'm Donna Terrell. 8-year-old Tyler Dunaway of Little Rock passed away Tuesday. He is the first pediatric flu death reported to the Arkansas Department of Health so far this season. Fox 16's Victoria Price sitting down with Tyler's family tonight, who say, as I can imagine, they're devastated.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and Kevin and Donna, it's really not hard to imagine why. Tyler's parents say that on Sunday morning, he woke up happy, he woke up healthy, he was sprawled out in their living room, putting together puzzles, one of his favorite things to do. But by Tuesday morning, he was gone.
If you met Tyler for 5 minutes, you didn't forget Tyler.
And that's because Tyler Dunaway greeted nearly everyone he met with a hug.
He loved giving huge bear hugs.
It's what many say they'll miss most about the 8-year-old who died from the flu Tuesday.
Sunday morning, he was laughing, giggling. 48 hours later, he's gone.
Tyler's parents, Steve and Teresa Dunaway, say the second grader first fell ill Sunday night.
His cheeks got real red. He started running a little bit of a fever. And we gave him some medicine. He went to bed.
A nearly 105-degree fever forced a trip to the doctor Monday, where they diagnosed Tyler with the flu. Early Tuesday morning, he took a turn for the worst.
I heard something knocking around, clamoring around. I came outside, came out of my office, and I found him in our kitchen. And we got to the bottom of our stairs, and he just collapsed.
Through snow and ice, an ambulance rushed Tyler to Children's Hospital. Their doctors told the Dunaways there was nothing they could do to restart their only child's heart.
It's just mind-boggling, and you can't. There's no way to wrap your hands around it. And just to be here, happy, giggling, laughing his head off, and then 2 days later be gone there's
no words.
Yeah.
Much like how Tyler loved to wrap his arms around everyone, his school, Fulbright Elementary, is now doing the same for his grieving family.
His entire second grade class are honorary pallbearers.
Because of his autism, Tyler didn't speak much, but his kindness to his classmates apparently spoke volumes.
He taught his peers about autism and how they don't need to be afraid.
A boy who didn't need words to show love.
There's never going to be another Tyler in the world.
His hugs said plenty enough. And now Tyler's parents say that he did get a flu shot. In fact, their entire family did, but doctors told them they just got really, really unlucky with this specific strain of the flu. Now, Tyler's funeral will be this weekend, and because he actually served as a local autism ambassador, people are planning to wear blue, the official color for autism awareness. Kevin and Donna.
So sad. Tyler's passing, by the way, brings the total number of deaths in Arkansas this flu season here in the state to 50. Countless others are being treated for it or showing symptoms of the flu. Fox 16's Caitlin Reardon asked parents how they're trying to weather the flu season, especially when little ones are running around the house.
Yeah, Kevin, it's difficult. This flu season, doctors saying that the flu is obviously widespread everywhere, the activity across the country, and many of them already acknowledging that the flu vaccine hasn't been as effective as it had in years past.
Husband actually got it just this past week. You ready?
Deanna Bridges says her household didn't escape unscathed from the flu virus this season.
I know it can spread very quickly.
She's doing everything she can to keep it away from her 3-year-old daughter, Emily.
We sprayed the whole house with Lysol, changed bed sheets as often as we could.
For Bridges, she believes nutrition plays a big role in staying healthy.
The more supplements, nutrition, fruits, vegetables that she's got in her diet, the better. The better she's going to be for that immune response.
Dr. Wayne Lyle is an emergency room doctor at Baptist. He says they're seeing a lot of people sick with the flu coming through the ER. On Wednesday, he alone admitted 5 people for complications from the virus.
Everyone just kind of responds differently. It's really patient dependent as to who's going to get sicker.
According to the State Department of Health, the latest number of flu deaths so far in Arkansas is near 50, including at least 1 child. Nationwide, there have been more than 20 pediatric flu-related deaths this season.
Makes me feel really sad. It brings a lot of worry. It also makes me think of different preventative measures I can have for my child.
Now, again, even though the flu shot hasn't been as effective as it has in preventing the flu in the past, the doctors still recommend getting it, hopefully to minimize the impact of the illness and keep you out of the hospital.